Welcome to Cabo 2018. I'm here for a mastermind called M1, hosted by Rock Thomas and Mark Yagi. It's based around becoming a whole life millionaire. So everyone here, girls and guys, want to have amazing financial freedom, great physical health, great mental health, spirituality, relationships in their life. They want it all. They want to have a harmonized life where they can really live their dreams. And they want to be around other people who have that goal too. Now, what I know about Rock coming into this is that he is intense, man. He is trying to get transformational experiences out of this mastermind. Let's see what happens. Here's day one.
Left my, oh, that is quite the lens.
Everyone's supposed to show up at 3 p.m. and we were gonna have the place all set up. It was gonna be amazing. But these people that are attending are so amazing that this is what's happening when they showed up early. Look at this. That's a solid stone table right now. Animals. Animals.
I'm in heaven right now. This is paradise.
Love it. Love it.
We're here. This is the remainder going to the next house.
Garbo.
Here, Tim.
After 30 years of going to different seminars in different environments, I'm like, okay, this is awesome, but what's missing? And like a dash of salt or a dash of pepper, just a little tweak here or there, and then kind of bring it all together into what I call an ecosystem, where people almost are forced to succeed if they stay within the confines of that system. Make sense?
Yeah.
Video.
Oh, video! This is the new way I live my life. I'm very comfortable with this. This is like my new normal.